Hello all and welcome to Wool Wonder. In today's video, we are going to see how to do a crochet wind spinner. It's such a cool and fun project for a beginner and I love the way it turned out. Honestly, this is my first attempt and I didn't expect it to come so beautifully. So I thought, why not share the detailed pattern for this so every one of you can try it and decorate your house with it. So let's get started. So the first step for this is I do a chain stitch up to 75. You can increase or decrease the length of this chain based on how big you need this wind spinner. So for the medium sized, I have tried with 75 chains. If you prefer a much longer one, you can increase it up to 100 chains. Or if you prefer a smaller one, you can have up to 50 chains. So let's get going with up to 75 chains and we will catch up on the next step. Now let's move on to row 2. Here I am adding a new color to give it a more colorful vibe. I'll be doing single crochet on each of the chain and that is going to be our row 2. It's a very simple row where we just do one single crochet on each of the chain. So at the end of this row you will be having 75 single crochet or whatever chain you have put in the foundation row. Let's keep doing this and we'll meet you at the row 3. So row 3 is also pretty straightforward. Here to make that curling effect, we do double crochet twice in each of the single crochet. So for every single crochet I've done in the previous row, you do 2 double crochet in the same stitch. By this increase, the yarn starts to twirl, which gives us the wind spinner effect. So let's keep doing 2 double crochet in each of the stitch, and by the end of this row you will be having 150 double crochet as we have started with 75 chains. So let's meet at the end of this row and look into the next step. And now we have come to the last row for this project. I'm adding a new color to give it a contrasting effect. We are doing one single crochet first and then another one in the same stitch. So for each of the double crochet, we will be doing 2 single crochet on top of it. This gives like a nice border touch. As we have used a dark color, we can contrast it with a light color. You can use any color according to your imagination and I'm sure the project will turn out great. And here we are at the end of row 4 and completed our project successfully. So please do try this out and let me know how it works out for you. You can use any other creative ideas to finish this project, like adding a beads or mirror at the end and tie it in your balcony for a more cuter look. Thank you so much for watching this video and do subscribe to my channel for such unique crochet ideas. Have a great day.